Oh, ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal? Mira lo que traigo hoy. Estos Nano Hollywoods Rides. Qué padre. What's up, everyone? Check this out. We got a JADA Nano Hollywood Rides. And it's the the Jurassic World one. It says NV10. I don't know what that is in the corner, but check that out. Got a helicopter, un helicóptero, 1992 Jeep Wrangler. Qué belleza, nos encanta ese. 1992 Ford Explorer and Mini. Qué padre, qué padre. Estos ya los tenemos, menos el helicóptero en forma Diecast, pero estos son los nanos, los minis. Y ahorita estamos a punto de salir. Algo rapidito, rapidín, tin. Vamos a dar una sorpresa a mamá, a la mamá de la casa, mi esposa. Pero antes de eso voy a hacer este videito. I'm gonna make this video before we take off to give mom a surprise, my wife. Check that out. Let's start. I want to leave the helicopter to the end because that's not the one I don't have that one. So they're so they feel very, very cool, very heavy for being a mini. It feels like the micro machine. It looks like the micro machine. Como esos cochecitos chiquitos. No sé qué escala es este. A ver, ahí están los detalles. En la parte de abajo, está hecho en China. No dice la escala. Pero, qué padre, está bien chiquitito. Todo metal, se siente. Ahí están el cofre con el logotipo. There's the hood with the logo and all the theme. I mean, you can see it's a little janky, the tempos, the paint job, but it's very cool to have it like in a mini form. You know, you see it from afar, it looks pretty cool. Se ve bien padre de lejos. Vamos con el Jeep que nos encontramos nosotros, yo y los niños. Y los niños una Jeep con todos los tampos estos de Jurassic World. Padre, míralo, también bien bonito este cochecito, todo metal, se siente padre, se siente pesadito. It feels heavy for this model, I mean for this size, and it's all metal, so very cool. This is going to be in my collection. I don't think I'm going to let the kids play with these because they're a little bit too small. And on the packaging it says what's the age on it. It should have the age somewhere. Don't they all? But I think this is more for the adult child. Now we'll check this out. Look at the helicopter. It's very cool. Tan padre el helicóptero. Y si se mueven, si las aspas se dan vuelta, se pueden separar o no. Can they separate or not? Yes, they can. Look at that. So you open them up, and there you go. There you go. That's pretty cool, man. That's dope. This little chopper. The wheels on the bottom. The wheels look a little bit too big for the helicopter, but I imagine to make it this small and then with small tires. Pero muy bonito. Me encantaron estos, qué padre. What do you guys think? I like getting these JADA mini figures, mini diecasts. They're very cool, man. Hope you all having a good day. Nosotros sí la vamos a pasar muy bien hoy en día. Es un día especial. Vamos a andar, vamos a ir de salida ahorita de la casa y espero que tengan todos un buen día. Algo rapidín. Gracias por entrenarse en el video de hoy. Tengan un buen día. Bye. See you next time. Have a good one. Peace.